This is the Conway Castle. You go inside of this souvenir shop to buy the ticket, and here also is the entrance. That's the walkway. That's the walkway going to the castle from the souvenir shop. And this is the castle. And this is the walkway wall in town. This is the wall that covers the whole town. Okay. Wall Town in Conway, Wales, United Kingdom.